So this video is on best buys, knowing how to get your best value for money. An example would be there's 3 bunches of flowers for $11.80, or you could buy 1 bunch for $3.95. Which option should you purchase? Which option would be cheaper per bunch of flowers? There's a formula that you will use for best buys. This formula is cost divided by quantity. How much do the items cost divided by how many there actually are? What quantity is there? So to work out the cost per bunch, if you were to buy 3 bunches for $11.80, the best buy equals cost divided by quantity. Cost is $11.80. There are 3 of them. Let's undertake $11.80 divided by 3 to work out what it would cost per bunch. $11.80 divided by 3 equals $3.93 recurring. We'll round that to $3.93 per bunch of flowers. That's per bunch of flowers. Over here, it already says that 1 bunch is $3.95. $3.95 per bunch of flowers. Well, cost divided by quantity. Cost is $3.95 divided by quantity, which is 1. $3.95 divided by 1, that is $3.95. Which option would you choose? 3 bunches for $11.80, 1 bunch for $3.95. Well, this one is 0.2 of a cent, 2 cents cheaper than buying a single bunch. Okay, so therefore I would buy the 3 bunch of flowers if I had use for them. Alright, so we just looked at number of objects. There were 3 bunches of flowers versus 1 bunch of flowers. What if they're now talking about quantity in terms of weight or capacity or, some sort of units? So in this case, we're dealing with litres or millilitres, and we might want to find out what is cheaper, not per item, but per litre. Okay, and the formula we'll use is still cost divided by quantity. The quantity of this is 600 millilitres, 2 litres, 1.2 litres. Okay, so the costs of each of them are $2.60 for 1.2 litres, $3.05 for 2 litres, $1.80 for 600 millilitres. Alright, so working out the best buy. What do each of these cost? And we'll go per litre. So cost divided by quantity for the first option. Cost is $2.60 divided by quantity, which is 1.2. $2.60 divided by 1.2, using my calculator, is $2 and rounding up to 17 cents per litre. $2.17 per litre. Let's consider the second one. Cost is $3.05. Quantity is 2 litres. $3.05 divided by 2 litres equals $1.53 rounded per litre. Much cheaper. Alright, so far, I know that I would go for the larger option. Let's consider this third small little tub. It's currently 600 millilitres. Okay, now I'm not going to say $1.80 divided by 600. We need to make sure that we're dealing with litres, just like the other two. Okay, so from millilitres to litres, we will divide by 1,000. There are 1,000 millilitres in a litre. Dividing by 1,000, that's got 3 zeros. So 600 millilitres divided by 1,000, jumping 3 times, that equals 0.6 litres. Okay, so our quantity is 0.6 litres. Cost is $1.80, divided by quantity, 0.6 litres. Cost divided by quantity, that equals 3 litres, $3 per litre. So, $2.17 a litre, $1.53 a litre, or $3 per litre. I'm obviously going to choose this larger bottle because it is much cheaper per litre. Okay, I could even talk about how much cheaper per litre. Yeah, I'm getting more initially, and out of the 3 prices, I am paying more initially, but I'll get more out of it. Okay, I won't have to go to the grocery store in a few days' time to buy any more. So best buys, cost divided by quantity, allows me to find out per litre. Let's look at the best buy for packets of rice. We've got 380 grams of rice for $2.90, 1.2 kilograms of rice for $10.50, or 80 cents for 120 grams of rice. Now the question states that you must find out the price per 100 grams. Okay, so we want to find out how much are each of these per 100 grams. Okay, and that's the sort of thing that a lot of grocery stores will actually state on their packaging. They'll find out unit pricing so that as a customer, we can compare easily, okay, when it won't be ripped off. Price per 100 grams. What is the formula for Best Buys? The formula is cost divided by quantity. Cost divided by quantity. Now it's a little bit special when we're going up to per 100 grams rather than per item or per litre or per kilo, okay, because we've got 100 grams. Now let's consider cost, $2.90, divided by quantity of 380. Now that will end up telling us what the price is per gram. Okay, so dividing 290 by 380 will tell us how much it is for 1 gram worth of rice. But we want to know per 100 grams. Therefore, to get from 1 gram back up to 100 grams, we're going to multiply our answer by 100. Let's work that out just using a calculator. So $2.90 divided by 380, then multiply 100 to get back up to 100 grams, works out as 76 cents per 100 grams. Let's see if it's cheaper for the bulk 1.2 kilo option. Now realizing that we're working with grams, we need to make sure our units are the same. Going from 1.2 kilograms into grams, there are 1,000 grams in a kilogram, multiply by 1,000, jump the decimal 1, 2, 3 times to times by 1,000, 1, 2, 3, that equates to 1,200 grams. Okay, so it's $10.50 for 1,200 grams of rice, cost divided by quantity. Cost is $10.50 divided by quantity of 1,200. That will tell us what it is per gram, but we need to know per 100 grams, so let's times that by 100. So $10.50 cost divided by quantity of 1,200 grams, timesing it by 100 to get it back up to 100 grams, is 88 cents per 100 grams. Already, it's more expensive to get that bulk item compared to the 380 gram. Let's do this final one. We've already got it in grams, but conversions, we need to make sure that the units are the same that we're working with. 80 cents. We don't want to do 80 divided by 120. It's not $80 for this rice, it's 80 cents. So 80, 100 cents in a dollar, divide by 100, that's 0.8 of a dollar. Cost divided by quantity, divided by 120. That'll get us down to 1 gram. We need to multiply by 100. Our final answer is $0.67 or 67 cents per 100 grams. So, out of my 3 options, it's actually cheaper to buy this little packet of 120 gram rice at 67 cents per 100 grams. That is my best buy, and I could buy bulk of those if I wish to, and it would still work out cheaper than these.